Welcome everyone, it's Egwin here from Beyond Systems. Today I share one exercise where we play with axis, with rolling, and it's mainly for hip mobility and also flexibility. I'm going to share two different versions or the main version and give an opportunity for a total beginner's version if your hip joints are very stiff and tight. Let's jump right into the exercise and see where today takes us. We start with an upright sitting position. Both legs go out directly in front of us, like this. When I say an upright sitting position, if you are sitting like this and barely holding on to this pose without falling over backwards, then that's not the most ideal situation to start with. In that specific case, I would suggest to put big bolster, a big cushion, or even a couple of layers of additional mats directly underneath your hip. If you can sit like this, here is what we're going to do. We're going to pull in the right knee towards the chest. Open the hip out towards the side as much as possible with the foot folded in, and then roll the hip upright, sink back, so let the tailbone drop back, bring the leg back forward, and then sit up tall again. So left knee to chest, we open up further towards the left, and we roll the hip up. Roll back on your sitting bones, tailbone drops, bring the left leg back towards the front of the mat. One more time. Right knee comes up. Now I don't just open the hip of the right leg. I also open the hip joint towards the left leg, so I actually swivel with my sitting bones on the ground. I roll the knee up and I open my hip all the way to the side. So now both my hip joints are in an opened position, but one with the flexion in the knee, one straight. Again, here I roll my pelvis up and between the two legs. This will give you a little bit of a stretch for your long adductor muscles on the left side, and it will work with your rotational hip mobility on the right, left and right. And then roll your tailbone back down, twist the hip back forward. Bring the left knee up, out towards the side, roll between your legs, but still make sure that both sitting bones are on the ground. So you shouldn't be able to bring your fingers in here. So nothing like this at this moment. So we just want to still sit, but roll the hip exactly in between the legs, getting this stretch here, and then roll back, extend the leg forward, and sit up again. So that's the basic version of this whole exercise. Let's see how this works with a slightly more advanced version where we actually turn to the side a little further. So, same starting position. I open the knee out towards the side and make sure that my right heel is as close as possible to my hip. Again, I roll my pelvis up. So the pubic bone actually rolls down to the ground. I straighten my back. And now I rotate my whole upper body towards the right side and bring the left hip joint with me. So it's one big movement over towards the right and leaning down. See, I totally roll the left leg in, come back up, and extend the right leg forward. I'm going to do it to the other side so you see it from a different perspective. Left knee comes up, I open towards the side. Now, roll further than before and start to turn the upper body away from the long leg towards the knee of the bent leg. Bring the upper body down. Lift the upper body back up. Roll your hip and your straight leg back down. And extend the left foot forward. Let me show you this from a different perspective. So first, the simple version. Pull one knee back. Simply roll your hip in between. Drop back. Extend the right leg forward. Left knee comes to the chest. Roll out. Whoop. Sit up tall in between your legs. Roll back. Extend the left foot forward. One more time, right side. Pulling the right leg back. Rolling up. And now I go further, so I start to turn. Very important here, ideally, this turn is not something sequential. So it's not, I turn the upper body, then I straighten the leg, then I turn the hip. Make sure that as much as possible, this is really a compound movement where all parts of the body, especially for this roll in, work together. So it's a closing of the right hip joint, it's a further opening of the left and an extension of the left hip joint, and it's also this extending the ankle, and then roll over all the way. So it looks like this. See, this is one movement that's guided from my center. And the upper body goes down. And back up. And I bring the right leg forward. And the left comes in. Roll out. And it's the whole body moving. And the whole leg coming back and extending forward. With this, you really get an idea of axis and of orientation. You could take it one step further, so from here, coming out, roll over, and now also actively press into the ground with the left leg to bring your upper body even higher up. Sink back down again, roll all the way to center. Bring the right side out, roll over, and press the right leg into the ground, open up the upper body, and then sink all the way back down and straighten the right leg forward. But we will do variations like that in a separate video. All right, have a beautiful time trying this out. If you're totally new here, yes, this is a standalone video, but at the moment I share one movement exercise every single day throughout this whole month. So if you want to stay up to date and want to check out also the previous videos, do so on my channel and subscribe and hit the notification bell not to miss any one of the new updates. Have a beautiful time. Thanks for watching. See you around, guys. Bye.